So, hi all mga smarts, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So, for today's video and content, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So, we purchased this one online. If by any chance na want to consider buying this Android phone, just click yung video natin. Somewhere dito sa bottom part, may magpa-pop up yan. I'm not sure if sa bottom right part or sa bottom left part. So, basta anywhere dyan. So, we have here the Nubia V80 design. So, ang tagal na since nag-unbox tayo ng Nubia. Parang I remember the last Nubia that we unbox here sa ating YouTube is the Music Pro ba yun? Yung parang comics yung likod. But anyways, the color that we have here is Pale Amber. Ayan. So, Pale Amber yung kanyang kulay. Wait lang. Let me just fix yung ating camera. Okay. Medyo madilim. Dito tayo. Ayan. So, Pale Amber, yung kulay na meron tayo right now. And then, sa specification, wala namang ibang information dito sa box. So, dumako na tayo sa So, dumako na tayo dito sa pagbubukas ng ating box. So, we have 50 megapixel AI camera with 6.75 high resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate. So, 4 GB of RAM with 256 GB of ROM. So, open na natin to. Okay. So, set aside muna natin yung unit. Explore muna natin yung inclusion niya sa loob ng box. So, meron tayong silicone case, manuals, and user guide. We also have adapter in here, pin ejector, and Type-C charging cord. Hindi na natapos. Ayan, sa right corner, we have the power button, volume up and down. Bottom part, we have the Type-C charging port, speaker, microphone, and earphone jack. Left corner, we have, I'm not sure, I think this is a sensor. Okay, I'm not sure saan dito yung power, pero may another sensor. I mean, button tayo dito. And then, the SIM tray natin. Para siyang 17 Pro Max. Hala, ang galing-galing naman. Oh, para talaga siyang 17 Pro Max. Sino nga naman ang mag-aakala na hindi to iPhone pag naka-case? So, parang talagang siyang iPhone. So, yan yung ating camera module. Grabe. So, ito yung ating brand. Matte finish siya. Hindi siya prone sa scratches and smudges. So, okay na okay to for me. Grabe ah. So, open na natin to. Setup ko lang to real quick. Balikan ko kayo. So, yun yung ating front facing. So, nagpa-process pa siya mga sis-Mars. Pero yan yung kanyang quality. Okay. Alright. Malinaw ang kanyang quality kahit na medyo madilim na dito. So, yun na naman yung quick unboxing natin with ating Nubia V8 design. So, again, if you want to consider buying, just click the basket here. So, thank you so much. My name is Maring Ana. See you ulit sa ating next na unboxing buyer.